The Pagani Huayra is one of the most captivating hypercars ever created, and its presence on YouTube has elevated it to a legendary status among automotive enthusiasts. The mere mention of the Huayra ignites excitement in the hearts of car lovers, not just for its outrageous performance figures, but for its fusion of art, science, and obsessive attention to detail. It's more than just a car, it's an experience, and nowhere is that more evident than in the way it's portrayed across countless YouTube videos. From the moment a Huayra's twin-turbocharged V12 engine starts up, the sound alone captures attention. In many YouTube videos, creators often begin with close-up shots of the intricate exhaust pipes, rear diffuser, and the quad exhaust tips at the center. That signature howl from the AMG-sourced 6.0-liter engine quickly follows, delivering a raw and mechanical soundtrack that echoes across mountain passes, tunnels, and racetracks. The way video creators use cinematic angles, high-definition slow-motion clips, and drone shots makes even a simple startup sequence feel like the prelude to a symphony. Beyond sound and speed, it's the Pagani Huayra's design that makes it so popular on YouTube. Video reviews often zoom in on the handcrafted carbon fiber panels, the titanium bolts, and the gold-plated engine components. There's a reverence in the way creators speak about it, like they're in the presence of a priceless sculpture rather than a machine. Horacio Pagani's background in industrial design is often discussed, and it becomes clear why every line, curve, and vent on the Huayra serves both form and function. Watching someone explore the car's active aerodynamics on video, with its flaps moving independently at speed like the wings of a bird, is a mesmerizing sight. Perhaps one of the biggest draws for YouTube audiences is seeing the Huayra driven as it was meant to be. There's a thrill in watching someone take it through the Italian Alps or unleash it on a closed circuit, pushing the limits of its performance. In POV driving videos, where the viewer sees exactly what the driver sees, the sense of immersion is almost tangible. The high-pitched whistle of the turbochargers, the snap of the paddle shifters, and the occasional pop from the exhaust make the viewing experience almost physical. Some creators go even further, rigging their cameras to capture the driver's footwork on the pedals, giving insight into the level of coordination needed to tame such a beast. YouTube videos also offer a rare look into the ownership experience. Owners of Pagani Huayras are a unique breed, and many of them are passionate enough to open up about what it means to live with such an exclusive vehicle. From the cost of servicing to the intricate customization options that Pagani offers, these videos provide a behind-the-scenes look that magazines and blogs can't always capture. Watching an owner walk through their spec sheet, pointing out the individual carbon weave pattern they chose or the custom engraving on the gear shifter, feels like getting an exclusive tour of a private art collection. Then there are the factory tours and interviews with Horacio Pagani himself. For fans who want to understand the brand at a deeper level, these YouTube videos are pure gold. They show how every Huayra is assembled by hand in Modena, Italy, with an obsessive focus on craftsmanship and quality. The way each interior is stitched, how the components are laid out like a museum exhibit, it all adds to the mystique. Horacio often talks about how he blends beauty with technology, and in these videos, that philosophy comes to life. Seeing the factory floor, the tools, the artisans at work, it's a rare look at the heart of the brand. Another type of video that garners massive attention is the drag race or performance comparison. Seeing the Huayra line up against other exotic machines like the Bugatti Chiron, McLaren P1, or Lamborghini Aventador creates a sense of drama and excitement that never gets old. Even though the Huayra isn't always the fastest in a straight line, it holds its own thanks to its lightweight, responsive handling, and aerodynamic wizardry. Creators often talk about how it feels more alive than other cars, with a level of driver engagement that's missing from many modern hypercars. Of course, part of the Huayra's appeal is its rarity. Only a few hundred units have been made worldwide, and spotting one in the wild is a rare treat. YouTube vloggers who happen to catch one cruising the streets of Monaco, Beverly Hills, or Tokyo often dedicate entire episodes to the encounter. These candid moments, where a Huayra appears unexpectedly in traffic or parks next to more ordinary supercars, highlight just how special it really is. The reactions from bystanders, the scramble for phones, the stunned silence followed by excited chatter, it all reflects the awe that surrounds the Pagani name. In the world of car modification and tuning, the Huayra doesn't see as much action as other models, but when it does, it becomes a huge deal. Some YouTubers have documented the process of wrapping their Huayra, adding aftermarket wheels, or even installing custom exhaust systems. While purists may cringe at modifying such a work of art, these videos explore how the Huayra can be a canvas for personal expression. It's not just about performance, it's about individuality, which aligns with the Pagani ethos of tailor-made automotive excellence. YouTube also plays a big role in keeping the legacy of limited edition models alive. Special versions like the Huayra BC, Huayra Roadster, and Huayra Codalonga often get extensive coverage, sometimes even before their official debut. Teaser clips, leaked footage, and event unveilings build anticipation and bring fans together to speculate and admire the latest iterations. These videos often go viral, showing every new detail, from revised aerodynamics to lighter materials and performance tweaks. The Pagani fanbase is global, and YouTube acts as the central hub where these enthusiasts connect, comment, and share their admiration for what many consider the pinnacle of automotive engineering. Car events and concours shows featuring the Huayra also make for fantastic YouTube content. Whether it's Pebble Beach, the Geneva Motor Show, or a private unveiling at a luxury hotel, these videos offer a red carpet glimpse at the hypercar lifestyle. The way the Huayra is displayed under dramatic lighting, surrounded by other exotic cars, adds to the spectacle. Interviews with designers, close-ups of rare liveries, and footage of the car rolling onto the lawn or the stage all contribute to the mythology of the brand. Even repair and maintenance videos, though less glamorous, are fascinating. They show the inner workings of the car, how panels are removed, how the hydraulic systems are accessed, and how technicians approach diagnostics. For someone interested in the technical side of things, it's like watching a brain surgeon at work. These videos demystify the complexities of hypercar ownership and showcase the extreme care that goes into preserving a machine of this caliber. Some creators go beyond the car itself to focus on the emotional response it evokes. Whether it's a child seeing the Huayra for the first time or a longtime car enthusiast finally getting a ride, these moments are powerful. Emotional storytelling adds a human dimension to the machine. One popular theme is the "dream come true" narrative, where a fan gets surprised with a ride in a Huayra, often tearing up or grinning uncontrollably as the car accelerates down a quiet stretch of road. These are more than just car videos, they're moments of joy captured forever. YouTube has allowed the Pagani Huayra to transcend its physical form. Through videos, it becomes a symbol of artistry, passion, and the pursuit of perfection. The platform gives viewers a chance to experience the car from every angle, visually, audibly, emotionally, even if they'll never own one. It has turned a low-production hypercar into a global sensation, accessible to anyone with an internet connection. Whether it's an in-depth review, a cinematic drive, or a spontaneous street encounter, the Huayra continues to capture the imagination of millions. Thanks to YouTube, the dream of Pagani lives on, loud, fast, and beautiful.